everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got this Milwaukee air tip we're going to test out. All right, excited. This is the only thing I could find like this on the market. I already read the reviews, saw the complaints, couldn't understand the complaints exactly, but we're going to try that out, test it out, and see if any of that even makes sense. But this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, it's for these sizes, which is really great because we're going to need it for a bunch of sizes. I'm going to use mine. You guys know I have the central vacuum. You can pause that if you want to see that. I'm going to use mine with the Canavac. I have the central vac, the chameleon system that I installed. I'm just going to use it with that. Honestly, when you're doing sheetrock and you're sucking up anything small like this, powdery, you really shouldn't use your home vacuum. Don't use a Dyson or a Bissell or stuff like that, because this stuff is like very, very fine and it gets all clogged up in there, and then you really have to clean it out, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. I've done it before, all right? If you're gonna be doing construction work, sucking up stuff, you can get a shop vac really cheap at Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's, especially Black Friday. I mean, $19.99, $29.99, you're gonna get a nice vacuum that'll last you a long time just for doing the construction, all right? Because you don't wanna use your Dyson or your $150, $200, I don't even know, $500 vacuum these days, right? I mean, anyway, you don't want to use that and then you break it, then you got a whole problem, right? The best thing is shop vac, $29.99, boom, boom, boom. And then also the shop vac, guys, you can use to clean up water around your house. They're really great to have. I use them, and then when they're garbage, you throw them out because, you know, they're $29.99. Let's cut this open and see what it looks like. You guys know I always like to put the measuring tool on here for you guys so you can scale everything I'm viewing or seeing what's up here. All right, this is what it looks like out of the box. Has the rubber seal right here, so this way when you're vacuuming, it's supposed to suck it on the wall. And I can't wait, like I said, to test this out. I got this because I'm gonna install a box. We're gonna hide the wires here. I've been showing you guys, you know, reviews, updates, or whatever. We're gonna hide all this over here, and I want to use this over here to go and collect all the dust. And let's see how awesome this is. All right, and I guess this is the sizes right here. But this, all right. Okay. All right, guys, we'll be right back.